Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about how to invest in real estate. And when billionaire Andrew Carnegie says that 90% of millionaires got their wealth by investing in real estate, it might make you more interested in learning more about it and learning more about how you can start doing it yourself. But before we get into any of that, be sure to smash the like button down below. I would very much appreciate it. Also, if you'd like to see weekly videos on finance and investing, then be sure to subscribe. But anyways, let's get into the video. So, investing in real estate takes a lot of time, a lot of patience, and a large initial investment if you decide to invest in a property. And of course, if you don't have enough money to actually go out and buy a property, you could always invest in a REIT or a real estate investment trust, which is basically just a company that owns and operates income producing real estate. And this can be a fantastic decision as well because it can actually be a lot more beneficial to invest in a REIT instead of a property depending on your situation. With REITs, you also get more diversification with your investment because you're investing in a company that could own more than one type of a commercial property. So if one of them isn't performing too well, you still have others that could make up for it. Also, another benefit of REITs is that they are required to pay out 90% of their taxable income annually to shareholders through dividends. And if you don't know what dividends are, or you would like to get a more basic understanding of them, then be sure to check out my video on investing in dividend stocks for beginners, which will pop up in the corner of the screen right about now, or it will also be in the description of this video. But anyways, REITs are an alternative to investing in a property if you don't have the money to do so yourself. But now let's talk about how you can actually start investing in a property if you do have the money for it. So first you need to figure out how much money you actually have available to spend on buying the property, and you should also decide if you plan on renovating the property or not. Then of course you need to do some research on your local housing market and figure out how much money houses around you are selling for and if there are a lot of people that are moving into houses in your area. It could also be a very good idea to start this out in your neighborhood if you live in one, because odds are you already know the area pretty well. Plus, you will be very close by if something goes wrong in your property while it's being rented out. And of course, if you don't want to really be directly involved in the day-to-day operations of your new rental property, you can always hire a property manager who will deal with a lot of that for you. Next, after you have found a property that you would like to buy and buy it, then you can rent it out for regular income. And a property manager can take care of a lot of this for you, and that will really help save time and potentially money. And that's why I think it would be a good idea to hire one. But you also need to make sure that the amount of money that you're charging for rent will take care of the mortgage, taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Because if it doesn't cover all of that, then you're just losing money, and nobody wants to do that. Another benefit of investing in a property is that over time it can appreciate in value, so you're basically just getting that money for doing nothing. And if you decide to renovate the house, then you can increase its value on your own through forced appreciation. Then you could rent it out for an even higher price each month because you have turned it into a much nicer house. But anyways, that is how you can start investing in real estate, either through REITs or through buying property. If you liked this video and thought it was helpful, then be sure to smash the like button down below. I would very much appreciate it. Also, if you would like to see weekly videos on finance and investing, then be sure to subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a wonderful day.